No. Okay, read it out loud.
Okay. To my little pumpkin from Daddy, so that's me.
Oh, okay.
I open it now.
Alright. Alright. Cool. Now you could put that on the FJ.
What a waste of my time.
Oh, you don't even know the half of it.
You need to appreciate things, Haylee.
Yeah.
What's the matter with you?
Isn't that cool? It's another
It's the thought that counts.
off-road light.
You already have this.
You could donate that to the FJ. Oh.
You bought this for you.
Open it up. Read something that you can see all in the FJ.
Oh, you open it this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah. Oh, more wrapping.
Oh.
Oh, more wrapping under here. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. Daddy, what is wrong with you? Oh my gosh.
Hey.
What? You put too much tape. Here, what is this gonna end?
Oh my gosh, how many wrapping?
How many cards?
Oh my gosh, no.
4, 5.
Oh my gosh, more. Daddy!
6.
Finally. Jeez.
7.
Don't be so sure.
Oh my gosh!
8.
What?
I'm starting to get tired now. Yeah. Okay. What the heck is wrong with this? This is an hour right now.
9. 10.
Oh my gosh, more. Will this end?
I don't know.
That's the 12 wrap Christmas. Yeah, probably 12 wrap Christmas.
You're patient.
More.
There's something on your
Now
face.
I'm
Yeah, just
expecting
like-
that there's more.
It doesn't.
Oh.
Oh my god!
That's it, Bill.
That's a lot of work.
Oh my god.
What's the matter?
I don't think there's nothing in that box.
And there's nothing.
For you, Haylee.
There's nothing?
That's why you have to keep opening.
It's a doggy treat for Emma. Hey, settle down.
Oh, finally. Oh my gosh, more wrapping. I can't even. More wrapping. It's better end now.
There's more than a dozen wrapping.
What is wrong with you? There's more.
What's the matter? Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. I shouldn't have picked this present.
That should have been the last, Haylee.
Yeah.
Daddy, what is
oh gosh.
It's always the hardest to open. I'm starting to get tired now.
Now you don't want to unwrap any gifts anymore, huh? Oh, there you go.
Oh, my eyes.
That's funny.
Earrings.
Wow.
Daddy's heart will always be with you. Finally,
Let's
I
see
got
it.
it open. This was $70.
Oh, let me see it. What
You
is it?
spend a lot on me.
These are
Look at it.
solid silver earrings for you with hearts on it. Crystal hearts, pink
Where'd
hearts.
you buy this?
Garage sale.
Kohl's?
Swap meeting cyclist.
Yeah,
Hey,
Emma.
Daddy. Aw. See her like that?
Look at Emma. Look at Emma. Emma.
The blue bow is actually cute on her. Is it cute on her? Oh my god.
When do we all go?
This took like 20 minutes.
How many wrappers did you use?
This took like 20 minutes.